So here in the question, a small sphere of mass m equals to 2 grams having a charge of q equals to 5 microcoulomb is suspended using an isolated string as shown in the figure here and at an angle q, which is made by the sphere with a vertical if it is placed under an electromagnetic field of 205 meters per second towards right. Okay, so the direction of force is this and mass is suspended here. So this would be the figure in which after making an angle theta, the mass would be at stable, and this is the force F by magnetic field. This is the mg force, gravitational force. This is the angle theta. So let's say for the mass to be stable at an angle theta making with the vertical, let's say force F1, F2, they should be balancing out each other, where F1, F2 doesn't have anything related to force F, but F2 is F cos theta. So for balancing them, it's simple equation like mg sin theta is equals to F cos theta. So the equation becomes F equals to mg tan theta. So tan theta equals to F by mg, with theta becomes equal to tan inverse F by mg, where F is equals to Q into E. So this is the equation after putting the values of QE and mg. So it comes out to be tan 1 by 2, which is 10.5. So option B is the answer.